everyone, I'm Daisy from EVANGEL. Now we are at Shanghai Port. Today we will deliver one unit motor grader, the SANY brand. Follow me please. Hello, behind us is SANY motor grader. The model is STG170mm. You can see the machine size is very big. The length of the machine is 8580mm and the operating weight is 14.5 tons. Now I will show you the machine blade. The length of the blade is 3660mm and the height of the blade is 620mm. This machine with standard components. The engine is China famous brand Weichai. Related power is 117 horsepower. The grader has some options like the front dozer and the rear ripper. You can add the options according to your project need. Okay, it's very happy to show you the SANY grader today. We are the supplier of whole construction machinery. If any related machine need better price, welcome to contact me on WhatsApp.